For the table, then what you're going to do, so there's a few different variations we'll run through. So the basic version is going to be just with hands and feet on the ground. So in this position, you're going to lift up into a flat position here and then lower back down again. So things to think about in this top position are that you want to have your shoulders, so let me show you. So squeezed back and together, and then engaging your triceps. In the hips, you want to tuck the pelvis so you're engaging your butt as fully as you can, and then you'll see a nice flat belly. If you find that you're arching through here, then you're not engaging your butt. So really think about tucking the pelvis backwards. So instead of being like this, you want to tuck the pelvis under and squeeze the butt up. So that's the 4-point version of the table. The 2-point version of the table, so there's a couple of versions of that. We can do opposite hand and foot, or we can do same side hand and foot. So the opposite side, rather, is the one where we're going to lift up, keep the butt engaged, and then keep the balance like so. Really engaging through the butt, grounding the hand and the foot. That's the opposite side. Same side, you're going to add a little bit of a twist. So right foot, right hand, and then reaching up and trying to balance. Hold it for X amount of time and then lower back down again. They are the table variations.